Dear TRU users, welcome to this demo that is going to give you the hands-on navigation on how to use the Teachers Resource Unit platform for the registration of your mock examinations. So at this point in time, I assume that you must have sent your information to the Teachers Resource Unit and they have sent you back a password. They have created an account for you and given you back a password that you are going to use with your email in combination with your email to be able to log in. So for now, this is the home page of our web application. All right, so to find yourself here, you go to your browser, to your web browser, and you type trunordwest.net. TRU Nordwest as one word in small letters .net. It's going to lock you in. It's going to bring you to this home page. So as you can see, you can navigate the web application, see the news articles, see all the information, and then we're interested in this login. You click on this login, and then it's going to bring you to this page, this login form. So what happens here is this: you're going to put your email, the email that you provided, and this password that the Teachers Resource Unit has provided to you, and then you're going to proceed to login. Okay, this is how it will be presented to you. Like I said, we are going to be interested on how you proceed from here when you get in. So at this point in time, you were just created an account. It is you now to come in here and be able to create an instance of your school in the platform. So as you can see here, they say hello TRU. This is because it is my username is TRU dev at this point. So your username is going to show here. Your username is going to show here, and then they're saying that step 1, register your school. To register school, click on the school tab and provide the necessary information. Then step 2, register for mock examination. So this is a process I want to show you how you can proceed from there. So you are going to click on this school, click on my school, and then from here you add your new school. So I am going to add the name of a school. I'm going to call it my school. All right, so you give the name of your school here, and for the phone number, I am going to give a certain phone number, and then you select your region. So for instance, if I am selecting if I select Adamawa, for instance, then here automatically the regions, the subdivisions of Adamawa are going to come here, and then you select your own, and then you proceed to create. So the school has been created at this point in time. So from here you can now proceed to mock registration. That's the most interesting thing, the reason why you're here. But as you can see, you can always get your schemes of work, your mock registrations, and get to read the news articles here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to proceed to the mock registration. Here you can see the various examinations that a school can offer. Obviously your school is going to be offering some of these. So you start with pre-registration. Very important. Start with pre-registration, please. Always do that. So for the ordinary level candidates, you give the maximum number or the number of GCE ordinary level candidates in your school that your school is offering for that year that are going to be writing the mock examinations. So if there are 600 students in your school for the ordinary levels, you put 600. Then you can go ahead for advanced level. If there are say 200 students, you put 200. For ITV, if your school is offering that, if there are, say, let's say 150 students, you do just that. If for ATV, if there are 100 students, you do just that. Now, let's say those are the examinations that my school is offering. Obviously, your school can be offering more or less. So depending on what your school is offering, you're going to put just that, and then you continue. Now take note of this GCE honor levels 600, the maximum number of students that are going in for the honor level. So I'm going to continue. Okay, now here is the form which has all the ordinary level subjects that my school a school can offer. So say commerce, for instance, and you can see automatically I told you to take note of 600. So there are some subjects that every student is doing. English language, French, you see, automatically they are filled 600, and you cannot fill a number more than 600. So if I do 700 here, for instance, you see automatically I'm going to be told that the maximum number student I'm exceeding, because I cannot have more than 600. Yes, that's why I said you should be careful when the number of students the number you put at the pre-registration stage, because you give the maximum number of students going in for an examination. So here I can only a subset of the students, or just the maximum number of the students can go in for a course, for a subject here. So for instance, I can have maybe say 100 students offering commerce, and so on and so forth. You go through and you choose the various subjects that your students are going in for, various papers, the various number of students, you input them. You see, you input them. I'm just doing some random inputs here. Mathematics, say it's just randomly. Then I can save and continue. So you proceed like that for every course. So we're going to see maximum number is 150 for ITV. So you go through every course and you put the number of students going in for. Okay, then you save and you continue just like that. You proceed like that. If you reach an exam that your school is not offering, you can always skip. You can even skip, even from up here you can skip without needing to waste much time. So I'm going to just give a random numbers here, save and continue. Okay, ATVE, make sure there was a number, 100 of them. So save and continue. So I have BAPC. I'm not sure I was having students for BAPC, so if I put a certain number, I tell you students exited, because I'm not going in for, so the maximum number is 0. So automatically, even if you were to make a mistake and input any number or any paper for an exam that you're not offering, it will show you, it will do you that. You can either continue to skip here, but since we don't have an exam again that we have to register, that will be all. For the payment, you can just come here and it shows you the details of the number and maybe the amounts that you have to pay. So you have the details, pay, exam here, discount, payable, you can see the details here, and then the total amount that you have to pay. You can see the total number of registered students in your school. You have the total amount, the discount. I'm sure this should be some 15%. Then this is the total amount that you have to pay. So for now, you can either choose to pay here through mobile money or Orange Money, or you are going to pay physically or directly to the administration of the teachers resource unit. So right now, as this video is being done, there is still a decision to be made if we are going to operate this online payment, or we are going to pay physically the cash to the office. Depending on what decision will be made, you will know what's going to happen from there. So that is how you navigate this platform, and thank you very much for using the teachers, for being part of the teachers resource unit, and we wish you all the best in your school activities and wish your school just the best. Thank you very much.